Hey friends, if you encounter BitLocker Drive Encryption cannot be used with the error code 0x8031004A, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the system file checker scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter in the hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a DISM scan. The command is dism.exe /online /cleanup -image restore health. So all you need to do is copy this command, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. This will invoke the DISM scan. The next option is a check disk scan, and this is especially if you are using an HDD drive, because the sectors of an HDD drive can go bad over time. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter to invoke the check disk scan. Then press Y and hit enter once again. Then the last one is to check the status of the volume shadow copy service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down and open the volume shadow copy service. Okay, right click on it and press start or restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.